Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Can you guess where I am? I'll give you a hint. Yep, we're at the airport, Newcastle airport, and we're heading to Dubai, and from Dubai we're heading on to Thailand, Bangkok. So we've only got like an hour and a half in Dubai. We're not going into the city, we're just transiting through the airport. But as Chris would say, I'd like you to come along and join us. Come along. Yes, Chris, I stole that from you. And we're going to walk past the Aspire Lounge where all the posh people go one day.
Number 23, has displayed is now closing.
Welcome on board this Emirates A350-900 from Newcastle to Dubai. Seat number 31A. This is the in-flight entertainment system. And that's my view of the wing. Hey! One thing I've noticed about the A350 over the 777 and the Airbus A380 are the flight cameras are so much more clearer. That is so much clearer than the other aircraft. And you get flight data overlaid on these, which you don't get on the other one. See if I can get some other flight cameras for you. Look at that. lunchtime I've got lamb biryani, which looks very delish. Cheese and crackers, a little chocolate, some potato salad, and a solid sticky toffee bun, and of course a bread bun. Oh, and these. Got a bit of turbulence. Above another aeroplane. Can you see the whoosh behind it? To land at Dubai Airport right now, so we have a look at the window. You can see it's the middle of the night. And the airport's there somewhere. This hasn't happened to us for a long time. Not the music. But we're stopping on the tarmac. We don't have an air bridge. We have to walk downstairs and actually get a bus. Those stairs, right there. Wow. Welcome to seat 62A on this Emirates A380 from Dubai to Bangkok. And that's a view over the wing. have it, breakfast is served. I'm having beef noodles. You get a fruit salad, yogurt with some granola, a water bottle, a croissant, butter, cheese, jam. And just like that, we've landed in Bangkok. We've got through immigration, and now for the dreaded bag claim. Ugh, ours is always last. Well, we've made it down to Pattaya. First things first, we've come to Terminal 21 shopping mall to get our phones, SIM cards done. And this is where we get our SIM cards from. Well folks, there you have it. Back at Gordon's where I'm staying. I'm staying at his house. I did go to Jomtien night market there for something to eat, but I'll be honest with you, I'm so tired I just didn't want to film it. I just wanted to get something to eat, get back and crash in bed. So that's what I'm going to do. I've been awake for a day and a half, well 36, 37, 38, 39 hours I've been awake now. So yes, I shall see you on the next one. Do not forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, do all of that good stuff. Now it's time to do your job.